Being able to redirect traffic from an old URL to a new URL is extremely important for user experience and for SEO because it prevents broken links on your website. But how do you do this on WordPress? I have an easy and really quick solution for you. What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new around here, I'm Mariah, an SEO consultant and educator for business owners over at mariahmagazine.com. And on this channel, I help simplify things like SEO, websites, tech, and I dive into tools and recommendations to help you grow your business online in a way that works for you. So in today's video, I'm going to break down the easy breezy process of setting up a 301 redirect on your WordPress website. So a 301 redirect is kind of just a fancy way of saying a permanent redirect, AKA like this old page ain't coming back. Let's redirect that traffic over to this new page. So if that's what you're looking for, you've made it to the right video. Let's kick it into the screen share. So I'm going to show you how to set this up using a demo WordPress site because there's no way that I can go in and delete the plugin on my own site. It would break so many things because I use this plugin so often. Okay, so once you're logged into your WordPress website, in the left-hand menu, you're going to click on plugins, and then you are going to click the add plugin option up there. And then you're going to come to the search bar and you're going to type in redirection, click enter on your keyboard. And then we're going to be installing this free redirection plugin right here. It's the one that I have been using for literally like a decade on my website. And so you're going to click install now. Once it's done installing, you're going to click the activate button. Then it's going to pop you over to your plugins list page right here, but we're actually going to come back to the left-hand menu, hover over tools, and then click redirection. Now, the first time that you install this, you do have to do a really quick setup. So scroll down, we're just gonna click start setup. And then these two are completely optional for you. You can go ahead and check them on, you can check them off, whatever you like, but then go ahead and click continue. And then it's going to do a little bit of testing to make sure that this plugin can work with your site properly. You should be able to see the good text pop up. It only takes a second, and then click finish setup. Once you do that, hit continue and then ready to begin. So to add a new redirect, you just click the add redirect button up there, and the source URL is the old URL that maybe no longer exists. It's an old page, it's an old post, it's an old whatever. And then the target URL is going to be the new URL that you want this old traffic to redirect to. Once you do that, you just click add redirect, and then it will pop up down here in your list. I always recommend checking these. Always, 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 always. So you can click the check redirect button, and this pop-up will show you whether it's redirecting or whether there's an error. So you can see that, yes, this is working properly. We want to see green. We love green. Green is our favorite color. And then I always like to double check that these actually work manually too. So there's a couple ways to do that. You can click on the old URL right there, and it should open up a new tab, and then you should see right up here, like that URL changed really quickly. You might not have noticed it. So I'm going to open up a new tab. I'm going to paste the old URL, hit enter on my keyboard, and then you'll see really quick that that URL changes to the new URL. So that's how you know that this is working perfectly. I'm interrupting this video really quick because I created something super fun and I want to share it with you. It's a free SEO assessment and scorecard so that you can find out how searchable your business is in Google and in AI tools. This free download will help you spot the gaps, make improvements, and start attracting the people already searching for what you offer. Go ahead and snag your free copy over at my website, mariahmagazine.com/scorecard, or I will leave the link to that in the video description box below. Okay, and now we've popped over to the back end of my website where I'm actively using this plugin quite a lot because I just want to show you something. So as you start to add redirects here, you're going to see the a big list happening here, all the redirects that you've added, and then you'll be able to see the code. So most of mine are 301 redirects, meaning that they're permanent redirects, and then you'll be able to see how many hits they've gotten. So how many redirects have actually happened, how many people were finding that old URL and then having to be redirected to the new one, and then last access as well to that old URL. So that might be helpful for you to see. And then if you're going to have a lot of them, I haven't messed with this yet, but they do allow you to group your URL redirects. You can go ahead and add some groups in order to keep them organized. And then if you've used a previous redirection plugin, or you're coming from a different website platform and you want to import old 301 redirects, you can do that here. You can export this list of redirects, and then there's some options up here that you can kind of play with. But all in all, that is how you set up a redirect on your WordPress website. So that's it for today's video. If you guys found this tutorial helpful, give me a really quick thumbs up. The simple thumbs up does go a long way in letting the YouTube algorithm know that my video was helpful, and therefore hopefully pushing it out to more people that also might find it helpful. And if you have any questions about redirects or about SEO or anything related, please comment below the video and let me know, because I use your feedback and your comments and your questions in order to inspire new videos on this channel. And if you're not already subscribed to the channel, what are you doing? Hit that subscribe button, turn on bell notifications, and I will see you in the next video.